Hello and welcome to the daily crypto market review, starting with BTC. Recently, we have seen a lot of volatility in the market just because of the weekly close as well as the monthly close of July. If you see yesterday, we rapidly pumped from the price of 23,700 to a price of 24,200, then dumped then faced a very sharp rejection from there to 23,400 and then pumped back again and then a big red candle, and now we are moving sideways at the opening of stock market of United States. Right now our strong, or you can say reasonably strong, resistance is the EMA. If you see, this is 14 EMA and that is 21 EMA. So these are right now the strong resistances combined with the resistance of 23,700. This is the strong resistance region. If I am supposed to draw it, so this is the strong resistance region. If BTC closes a single 4-hour candle above this zone, then we can expect a breakout. The breakout level would be 23,825 upon closing a 4-hour candle above or at this level. Then the target would easily be 24,136 to 24,263. However, if BTC closes below this blue exponential moving average, that is uh, 55 EMA, then we can expect further downside and the breakdown level would have a target of 22,450 and $22,323 per Bitcoin. However, in the macro perspective, right now the market is overall facing a healthy correction. If you see, the arrows drawn also indicate that we were expecting this correction. If you are following my market updates, we were overdue for this correction. We found wicks above and down no matter. However, the target areas remained same. The next target area, if I am to adjust it for time, the next target area, in my opinion, for August, the first weeks of August or the second week of August would be 25,000, and then the range of 25,000 to $27,200. And if we break above that small, very minor resistance level, then we can expect upside to 28,000 to 32,000. However, 32,000 right now is not really likely, but 25,000 to 28,000 is more probabilistic and likely. However, Bitcoin really needs to hold this level. Right now, if we move on towards the altcoin side, Ethereum. If you see, my Ethereum dollar cost average targets were 16,600 to 1640. If you see today, the low of this candle 16,000, we hit the price target of 16,036. If you have put these orders, then you would have purchased Ethereum at a discounted price, as I am expecting Ethereum to couple with BTC when Bitcoin breaks the target or even reaches the target of 24,000 as a matter of time, which is still highly probabilistic in my opinion, as per technical analysis as well as considering the macroeconomic situations and the stock market. So I would say Ethereum is still having the main target of $1,850 to $1,900, and that would definitely be happening if Bitcoin holds the level right now or even closes 4 hourly candle above the level of $23,800. Moving on towards Solana. Right now Solana is sitting at a strong support range. If I'm supposed to draw the support for Solana, the support range for Solana is from $41.30 to $42.20, and if Solana breaks above the level of $45.29, then the target would be immediate target would be $47.4, and then 49 upon breaking of the target of $49, it would hit $51 to $50 level. $50 is the psychological resistance, and upon breaking them, we can see upside in Solana very rapidly, as we saw the upside in Solana recently when Bitcoin broke the 22,700 weekly moving average. If you see how much upside possible if historical or just the previous week's market is to mimic right now, then we can easily expect the price target of $56 to $55 upon breaking of the resistance area, that is $47 to $53. that are my midterm targets for Solana for the month of August. If you haven't already bought Solana, if you are following me on Twitter, you might be knowing that I have already bought Solana at the price of $43 and then $42.55 just today. And I will dollar cost average. If BTC breaks down, my dollar cost average targets are 39.5, 39, or even $38.3, as I'm still expecting Solana to continue making higher highs and even higher lows on the 4-hour or even daily time frame. Moving on towards the stock market, as BTC continues to rise, stock market is a very important element to consider. We are seeing currently a bear market rally in the stock market, and Nasdaq on the last day of stock market previous week, we saw Nasdaq break the strong resistance level of 1313 points on the 4-hour time frame. And if we see, last time Nasdaq rejected from this point, we went all the way down to $269. That is when Bitcoin also went down to very low points. And right now, if we see, Nasdaq has easily broken this resistance, and that is the main reason I expect that Bitcoin has closed above the weekly 200 moving average, and that was a strong resistance to consider. Now it is acting as a strong support on the weekly time frame. If we see macro as well as technical analysis perspective, we are overall bullish right now, considering the stocks as well as the BTC price targets. Right now, Nasdaq has gained since the market opening about 0.88%, and the market is approximately open from about 1.5 hours. Moving on towards important element, that is dollar cost average. Since we are seeing the dollar cost average broke the first trend line support, then the second trend line support, and now it is going to test the major trend line support. That is where I expect dollar currency index to bounce in the midterm region. And even if the dollar currency index didn't bounce from here, then the next strong support for the dollar currency index would be $103.7 to $102.7 region, as it is also the Fibonacci retracement support level, 0.88 to 1 Fibonacci level. So it is also acting as a support region right now. If dollar currency index bounces from here, then we can expect the dollar currency index to continue its way upside. Right now it is going to retest this main trend line. If it holds, then we can see further upside in the dollar currency index. However, in the immediate effect in the month of August, for the first 2 weeks, we can see dollar currency index to bleed, and then finally we will see, based on the dollar currency index, the CPI numbers will be coming out, which will also give us an insight that what is going on with the overall inflation price, and that is when the markets would react and already price in the next inflation or rate hikes data. Overall, this was the overview for the market. If you like the update, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.